Stop doomscrolling. You've heard of ChatGPT and Gemini, but the biggest AI story in India isn't just about using them, it's about replacing them. The keyword for 2025 is sovereign AI. This means a country controlling its own AI destiny, its own models, its own data, and its own infrastructure. Why? Because foreign LLMs don't understand the nuance of Rewari, Haryana, the same way they don't get the cultural context of rural Tamil Nadu. Our data is a strategic asset. By training models like Hanuman and Ola's Krutrim on India's vast and diverse datasets, we're not just building chatbots. We're building culturally aligned intelligence. Here's the deep dive. Krutrim isn't just a translation layer, it's a foundational model trained on over 2 trillion tokens, with a massive chunk from Indic languages. This means it can reason and generate content with an inherent understanding of Indian syntax and idioms, something a fine-tuned foreign model struggles with. The impact. Think about a farmer here in Haryana asking an AI about the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. An Indic LLM can explain the complex policy in fluent Haryanvi, referencing local crop cycles. That's a game changer for financial inclusion and governance. This isn't about nationalism, it's about precision, privacy, and performance. India isn't just participating in the AI race, it's building its own track. Follow me if you want to understand the tech that will actually shape our future.